Be calm, for God will restore to you every lost glory and blessing in all areas of your life, and he will cause you to eat in abundance in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. For the scriptures declare in Joel 2:25-26, and I will restore to you the years that the locust has eaten, the cankerworm, the caterpillar, and the palworm, my great army which I sent among you. And you shall eat in plenty and be satisfied, and praise the name of the Lord your God, who has dealt wondrously with you, and my people shall never be ashamed. It's your time and season to be celebrated in Jesus Christ's mighty name.